Let's learn the seed germination process. This is how from the seed the roots grow under the soil and the stem and leaves grow over the ground. The first step is to prepare the soil to put the seeds in. Then put the seeds. This needs sunlight and water for fertilization of the seed. See, the roots are growing under the soil and the stems are growing on the ground. And finally, the leaves and flowers are born with this germination process. And this is how the whole fertile land looks like under the soil and over the ground.